Hey there, smart home enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common question that many Blink camera owners have. Where is the reset button on the Blink Sync Module 2, and how do I use it? If you're experiencing connectivity issues, trying to troubleshoot, or just need to completely reset your Blink system, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk you through it step by step, making sure you know exactly what to do. Let's dive in. First off, it's important to understand why you might need to reset your Blink Sync Module 2. A reset can help with various issues, such as connectivity problems, if your cameras aren't connecting to the sync module, Wi-Fi network changes, when you've moved or changed your home Wi-Fi password, troubleshooting, as a general first step for many performance issues, selling or regifting, to clear all personal data and settings. Now let's get to the crucial part, finding that reset button. Okay, grab your Blink Sync Module 2. Locate the device. Hold your Blink Sync Module 2 in your hand. You'll notice various ports and indicators. Flip it over. The reset button isn't on the front or the sides. You need to turn the Blink Sync Module 2 over to its underside. Identify the opening. On the bottom of the sync module, you'll see a small, pin-sized hole. This is your reset button. It's usually recessed to prevent accidental presses. Prepare your tool. Since it's a small hole, you'll need a thin, pointed object. A paper clip, a SIM ejector tool, like the one that comes with your smartphone, or a small toothpick works perfectly. Insert and press. Carefully insert your chosen tool into the hole. You should feel a slight click as you press the button. Hold it down. To perform a full factory reset, you need to hold this button down for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Observe the lights. While holding the button, you'll notice the LED lights on the front of the Sync Module 2. They might change colors or flash. Once you release the button after the 5 to 10 second hold, the lights should turn blue and then flash green, indicating it's ready for setup. This confirms the reset was successful. Special tips, FAQs, after the reset and what to do next. Great! You've successfully reset your Blink Sync Module 2. Now what? Re-add to the app. The Sync module will now be in a factory default state. You'll need to open your Blink Home Monitor app. Go to Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Sync Module 2 again, just as you did when it was new. Connect to Wi-Fi. You'll be prompted to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy. Relink cameras. Once the Sync module is set up, you'll then need to relink your Blink cameras to it within the app. Pro tip: if you're just trying to change the Wi-Fi network and not do a full factory reset, you can sometimes enter Sync Module Network Change mode from within the Blink app settings without needing to press the physical button. However, for a full clean slate or troubleshooting stubborn issues, the physical reset is often the best solution. And there you have it. Finding and using the reset button on your Blink Sync Module 2 is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Hopefully, this guide helped you get your Blink system back on track. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smart home tips, electronic lock tutorials, and product reviews. Have any questions or run into any issues? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.